Good morning children, welcome to online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 4, exercise number 4.4, question number 8. Okay, solution number 8. What is question number 8? A pea has 15 2 by 5 meter long ribbon. She cuts into 7 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? So first we will write what is the total length of ribbon. Total length of ribbon is equals to total length of ribbon. Total length of ribbon is equals to 15 2 by 5 meter. Okay. So how many equal pieces she cut? Number of pieces is equals to 7. What you have to find it out? Length of one piece equals to length of one piece. What you have to find it out? Length of one piece. So how we will find? We will divide just and find it out. Okay. 15 2 by 5 divided with 7. Now for this is a mixed fraction. First we will change this. 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75 plus 2 is 77 upon 5 divided with 7. I have many times told you if denominator is empty you can write as just like 1. Okay. Now change the division sign. 77 by 5 into 1 upon 7. Now see whether any can be cancelled out. Yes. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. So what will be the answer? 11 by 5. But what is the length of one piece? We can't just simply leave here. We will divide this and solve. Okay. 11. 5 2s are 10. So what will be the answer? Answer is equals to 2 1 upon 5 meter. So what will be the equal length of one piece is 2 1 upon 5 meter. Okay. Now next is question number 9. What is question number 9? Question number 9 is Asta has a garden of length 16 3 by 4 meter. Okay. So what is the length of garden? First we will write that. Okay. Length of garden. What is the total length of garden? 16 3 upon 4 meter. Okay. So she want to make 12 equal part of it along the length. So what she want? She want to make 12 equal part. Okay. So number of parts we will write. Number of parts is equals to 12. So what is question asked? Find the length of each part. We have to find the length of each part along the length of the garden. Okay. So we will have to find it out. Length of each part means length of one part we have to find it out. How we will find? We will just divide this and find it out. Okay. Divided with 12. First we will change this. What is 16 4s are? 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 3 is 67 upon 4 divided with 12 by 1. So 67 upon 4 into 1 by 12. So whether we can divide this, it can be cancelled out. We will just find. Okay. We can't cancel this. Okay. So we will just multiply this. 67 into 1 is 67 upon 12 into 4 is 48. So we will divide this and find it out. Okay. So how we will divide this? See here. We will just divide this. 48 divided with 67. 48 ones are 48. 48 into 2. 2 8s are 16, 6 carry 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. It will be greater. So we will take here 48 ones are 48. 7 minus 8 is not possible. 7 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8? 9. Okay, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 19. We can't subtract this. Okay. So how we will write? Quotient remainder upon denominator. So what is quotient? 119 upon 48 meter. So what will be the length of one part? 119 upon 48 meter or 67 upon 48 meter. Okay. Now next question is question number 10. What is question number 10? Question number 10 is the product of two fraction is given. Okay. First we will write this product of two fraction. Product of two fractions is equals to, what is the product of two fraction? 5, 3 upon 4. Okay. And one number is given and one of them is one fraction is equals to 2 3 by 4. What you have to find it out? Other fraction you have to find. Okay. How we will find the other fraction? We will just divide this. 5 3 by 4 divided with 2 3 by 4. First we will change this. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 by 4 divided with 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4. Okay. Just change the division sign. 4 by 11. 4 ones are cancelled out. What is left out? 23 upon 11. Just divide this and find it out what is left out. Okay. 11 23. 11 2s are 22. 1. So how we are writing this? Quotient remainder upon denominator. So what is the other fraction? Other fraction is 2 1 upon 11. Okay. Now question number 11. Reena needs some pieces of ribbon of each 2 by 5 meter long. How many such pieces she can get from a ribbon which is 12 2 by 5 meter long? So total length of ribbon is given and length of one piece is given. You have to find it out how many pieces she will cut from that. Okay. So we will write it total length of ribbon. Question number 11. Total length of ribbon. What is total length of ribbon? Total length of ribbon is 12 2 by 5 meter. 12 2 by 5 meter. And length of one piece. Length of one piece is equals to 2 upon 5 meter. You have to find it out. Number of pieces. Number of pieces you have to find it out. What we will do? 12 2 by 5 divided with 2 by 5. First just change this. Okay. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 2 is 62 upon 5 divided with 2 by 5. Just change the sign. 62 by 5 into 5 upon 2. 5 ones are 5 ones are. From 2 we can divide 62. 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. 2 ones are 2. So what is left out? 31. So how many pieces did Leena cut from that? 31 pieces of ribbon can be cut from the length of 12 2 by 5 meter. Okay. 31 pieces. Now question number 12. We have done this type of question earlier. We have to express 4 rupee 50 paisa as a fraction of rupees 18. 4 rupees 4 and 50 paise. First we will convert this. Okay. All know that 1 rupee is having 100 paise. So 50 upon 100. First we will just change this. 0 0 cancel out. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So what is left out here? 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 2. This becomes a fraction of rupees 4 and 50 paisa. Okay. Now you have to change in the fraction of rupees 18. So how we will convert? Divided with 18. No, nothing is there in the denominator, so we will write here 1. Now solve this. 9 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. What is left out? 1 into 1 upon 2 into 2. So 1 upon 4. What will be the fraction of rupees 18? 1 upon 4. See children, first you will convert this 4 rupee 50 paisa into fraction. Then what is in which you have to change, you will divide by that number. And division process you all know, whenever we are dividing the fraction, we will change the sign, multiplication, and the second number will be changed, reciprocal, okay, reciprocal of the second number. Then cancel it out and then write the answer. Number 13. What is number 13? 8 rupees 25 paisa. First we will change this, okay, 8 rupees 25 paise in the fraction of rupees 24. First we will change this, okay, 8 25 upon 100. Okay, now we will cancel this. It can be cancelled by 5 5s are 5 20s are 5 1s are 5 4s are. So what is left out? 8 1 upon 4. We will change this. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 upon 4 in the fraction of rupees 24. So we will divide it by 24 upon 1. 33 by 4 into 1 upon 24. It can't be cancelled out, so we will just multiply and write. Okay, 33 into 1 is 33 upon 24 into 4 will be 4 4 is 16, 6 carry 1, 4 2 is 8 will be 9, 96. It can't be cancelled out, so we will leave it like here only. Okay, now number 14. 14 is number 14 is 2 rupees 75 paise in a fraction of rupees 22. So first we will convert this 275 upon 100. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 15s are 75. Okay, here 20, 5 3s are 5 4s are. Now it can't be further cancelled. 2 3 upon 4. First you will change this. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4 divided with 22 by 1. 11 by 4 into 1 upon 22. 11 ones are 11 twos are. So what is left out? 1 upon 4 twos are 8. So what is the answer here? 1 upon 8. Number 15. 15 is 3 rupees 50 paisa in a fraction of rupees 35. First we will change this. Okay, 350 upon 100. Why I am writing here 100? Because we have to convert this paise into rupee. That's why I am dividing it by 100. Okay, so 0 0 cancel out. 5 1s are 5 2s are. What is left out? 2 3s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. Now this is converted into rupees 7 upon 2. Now in the fraction of rupees 35. So you will divide it with by 35. 7 by 2 into 1 upon 35. In the table of 7 35 comes? Yes. 7 1s are 7, 5s are 35. So what is left out? 1 by 2 into 1 upon 5. 1 upon 10. So what will be the answer? Answer is 1 upon 10. Now number 16. Number 16 is 7 rupees 50 paisa in fraction of rupees 35. So first we will convert this 750 upon 100. rupees 7 and 50 paise. Okay, 0 0, 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 sevens are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 upon 2. This is converted into rupees, divided with rupees 35. 15 by 2 into 1 upon 35. 5 threes are 5 sevens are 3 by 2 into 1 upon 7 is equals to 3 by 14. So what is the answer? Answer is 3 by 14. So children, with this we completed our chapter number 4, and I want to tell you some important thing that your pre-mid exam will is coming. So your portion for pre-mid exam is portion for pre-mid of class 5 is lesson number 1 to 4. Okay, lesson number 1. What is lesson number 1? Lesson number 1 is numbers up to 10 crores. Number 2 is operation involving large numbers. 3 is HCF and LCM, and number 4 is multiplication and division of fractional number. So these 4 chapters will come. So please start preparing your chapter number 1 to chapter number 4. Okay, thank you.